The first idea came up in 2006. A hook able to engage or release loads remotely will increase safety and productivity. We went through a lot in these 10 years, learning with new customers and applications constantly evolving. With the new load cells and the Emacs remote control, the elebia hooks became waging hooks. The Emacs displays this info in real time, while stores it into a log file. This data can be used to prevent and track overloads, compare productivity of shifts, and much more. We are making smart crane hooks. We are creating the crane hook of the future.